For this week's Whitefish Mountain point of view video, we are heading to Flower Point and taking Chair 11, which is a slower 3-person lift, but this one is great if it's a windy day or if the front side is slushy or a bit low on snow coverage in early season. I'm Janet with Radiant Realty, your Montana realtor and broker. Thank you for joining me today. If you are looking to buy or sell a property or home here in Montana, please reach out. I would love to hear more about your needs. If you are new to the channel, hit that subscribe button and stay a while, and don't be shy. I love reading your comments and answering any questions you might have. Okay, so when you get off the lift, go straight ahead to One Grand Parade. We usually begin a bit to the left of the run to ski through the trees, which are nice and open here. If you are new to the mountain, take a moment to educate yourself on the danger of tree wells before going too far off the trails. As you can see, it's a cloudy day, which is very common for Whitefish Mountain skiing. It usually means fresh powder, which Chad absolutely loves, but a nice sunny day with valley views always makes me smile. This run goes past the old T-bar lift, which is usually only operational on weekends and holidays now. We are going to continue on to Chair 5. You could also pass Chair 5 and take Russ's Street all the way around to Chair 1 and 2 if desired. I hope you enjoyed today's Whitefish Mountain run. If you have a request or a recommendation, please leave it in the comments below. Have an amazing week, and I will see you next time.